Can you say this? Okay, now, can you say it 3 times? Fast? No, faster. Faster, faster. Free Thrive food, free Thrive food, free Thrive food. You might not be able to say it, but you can earn it. Hey everybody, I'm Bill with Live Simple, Live Free. And through Thrive Life's customer referral program, you can earn free Thrive credit every time you refer a new customer. Here's how it works. If you're a customer of Thrive Life, you have your own unique referral code, referral link. And I'll show you how to find that in a minute, but this will be your link and it ties directly to your customer account. All you have to do is just share that link to a friend, and if they click on the link and purchase some food, then you will earn 10% of the amount of their first purchase in Thrive credit, which you can then apply to your next order. Now it has to be a first-time customer. You can't refer to someone who's already a customer. But if you refer to someone and they've never purchased from Thrive before, like I said, you'll earn 10% of their order in Thrive credit for your own next order. How cool is that? A lot of people have asked me if there's a cheaper way or a way to get cheaper or free food, and this is the way to do it. Now another cool thing is that you don't even have to have purchased any food for yourself yet. All you have to do is go to Thrive Life and register a customer account, which is free, and it just takes your your email and you create a password, and you'll then have your free account, customer account, and you'll then have your own unique referral link to be able to refer your friends. You can take that link, you can use it anywhere you want. You can put it in an email, you can share it on Facebook or social media, however you want to do it. Just tell your friends about it, especially if you are already using it and you like it. It'd be easy just to tell them about this food that you're using that you like. Give them the link and you're going to earn some free food. Now let me go to the computer and show you how this works. So first, you just need to sign into your Thrive Life customer account. Once you're there, go up here to the top where it says Join Us, and then you see down here it says Refer a Friend, Share Your Link. So you click on that link and it'll take you to this page, and this right here is your own personal link that no one else has. You can just copy that link, like I said, share it in Facebook or emails or however you want to do it, and then what do you get? First of all, it says give 15%. This means that if your friend joins the delivery service, then they're going to get 15% off of all pricing, just like you do. And then get 10%. You will get 10% in Thrive credit for their first order. So if they place an order for $150 for their first order to get the free shipping on delivery service, then you're going to earn $15 in credit that you can use toward your own next order. Isn't that cool? Now, also the double dip. You have 90 days to use the double dip for your, if you're new to Thrive and you've joined within or placed your first order within the past 90 days, if you share your link and someone purchases an order through your link, then you can double dip, which means that you will get 10% of your own first order that you've placed within the past 90 days, also in Thrive credit. So you would not only get 10% of their order, but you would get 10% of your own first order as long as you do it within 90 days. That's really amazing. And then this last one says, plus for every $500 friends spend, you will get 50% off of a $50 purchase. So every time that you accumulate $500 that your friends have purchased through your link, you will get a coupon for an additional 50% off of a $50 purchase. So you're going to save an additional $25 there. Now from here, if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see the stats for your referral link. This shows you the number of clicks you've gotten, and this will show you the number of actual referrals you've gotten, and this will show you the amount of Thrive credit that you have earned. And then when you check out, you'll see the Thrive credit also on the checkout page, either on the one-time order or on the delivery service, and you'll be able to apply your Thrive credit to your order at that time. So that's it. It's fast and easy to find your link, and you just share that link with friends. So this is just really cool. It's a really good way to be saving money and to accumulate, more storage, or to use in your kitchen, however you want to do it. How cool is that? I'm really excited about being able to offer this to you, and I hope you can see the potential here to be able to earn free food. Okay, everybody, thanks for listening. Live simple, live free. You be blessed. If you have any questions, you can email me or call me or leave in the comments down below. See you next time. Catherine Green says, I received my first order this week and we love everything. The value is phenomenal when you think about how much strawberries, bell peppers, mushrooms can cost. And the orange drink is yummy. Don't hesitate to buy and try a few items. Mickey Bishop says, the problem with Thrive, it tastes too good. OMG, I cooked something, a small miracle for me. Thrive hamburger, green peppers, onion flakes, potatoes, and the to die for velouté sauce. It tasted so good I ate it for lunch and dinner 3 days straight. I actually cooked something that had vegetables and tasted like home. Before, I was eating flour tortillas with butter. It's just me and 2 cats, and cooking is not something I'm good at. I made this hunter's stew by putting all the ingredients in a pot, putting in some water, and turning on the stove. That's it. Now I'm out of ingredients and my third order isn't here. I'm jonesing for my Thrive. Now what?